Hey, this is Sandy, and I am coming to you with recipe 13 from the Simply Earth DIY Bath and Spa Hero Kit. This one I can't actually put together until I'm ready to use it in the tub, but I want to tell you about it. So you're going to be using hydrosol, which I'll explain what that is. You'll be using bath salts, and then you can use rose petals, lavender in this case, since I have the lavender hydrosol. So hydrosol is a byproduct of creating essential oils. So it's just as good as the essential oil, except it's in a much gentler form. You can actually use this topically on your skin. In the case of rose hydrosol, rose is really good for mature skin. You can use it as a toner, and it just adds that lovely soothing scent to your bath or to whatever products you might be making. And rose hydrosol is really nice because rose essential oil is a very expensive oil because it takes pounds and pounds of rose petals to make one small bottle of rose essential oil. Fun fact, I have never owned a bottle of rose essential oil. So what you would do is you would take 1 to 4 tablespoons of the hydrosol that you're looking for. Simply Earth has lavender and rose hydrosols. You would use a cup of bath salts. Their bath salt combination is really nice. It has Epsom salt, which has it's good for magnesium. It's good for relaxing, leg cramps, digestion. It also has pink Himalayan salt, Hawaiian salt, and Dead Sea salt. So these are all really nourishing for your skin. And then they have rose petals, which, floating that in the bath would be really, really nice. So you would use, first you would run your bath, and you would put in your hydrosol, and then you would put in your bath salts and let those dissolve, and then you could float rose petals on top as well. So what a quick, luxurious way to be able to do that. If you wanted to give it as a gift, you would want to give these separately. You could put the rose petals and the salt together, but you would want to not mix in the hydrosol. You would put that in a separate bottle. Anyway, I will leave you the link and coupon code below to get your own Simply Earth DIY Bath and Spa Hero Kit. Please leave me your questions below. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks. Have a great day.